And that's what I did, right? Like people that know me, like I trade mega cap tech, I trade Tesla, Nvidia, SPX, the Nasdaq, and I've mastered these stocks to a certain extent to where what I've learned from them, I can apply it to another stock if I happen to need to do that
Mm.
in terms of what strategy worked of trading, support or a breakout level. So
Do you feel like that rotation you mentioned, is that not something, does it sometimes like draw you in when it's outside of what you're focused on, or at this point is it just doesn't bother you?
it depends, right? Like if a stock is hot and like a meme stock or something, like I've traded it and I've made a lot of money. Like 2021, you remember GME?
Hmm.
Yeah, so I bought 50,000 shares of GME at like 40 something bucks. I was in Maui with my wife. We were for Valentine's Day, and the whole week was super super slow. And the market opens at like 4:30 in the morning, so it's super early mornings. It's Thursday by that time, so that's 4 days of like grinding it out, and the market's not moving. And so I bought 50,000 shares at like 40 something bucks, and within like 2 hours, 3 hours, the stock had a short squeeze. So that was my biggest trade. I ripped 2.7 million in 24 hours on that stock.
Really?
Yeah. So
And what goes through your mind when you go through something like that?
so it was interesting. So I bought the shares and then jumped in the shower and then I got out. I'm up like $800,000, and I was like, and I told my wife like, Let's go grab lunch." So we go, downtown, whatever, Maui, and we order fish and chips, and we're sitting at a bench. I look back at my phone, I'm up like 1.4, 1.5 million. And emotionally, I'm like, I need to sell. Like, you're up. This is your biggest trade ever. And it was a weird moment where I was like, you shouldn't sell based on emotion. So I was like, let me just hold overnight. This is a ballsy move. Woke up the next morning, scaled out of all of it, and yeah, ripped 2.7 on that.
What goes through your mind after that?